ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Ultimate car camera with STARVIS 2 sensor and 128 gigabytes card included. Automobile camera. Looking for the perfect dash cam to protect your vehicle day and night? Meet the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, packed with premium features to capture every detail on the road. In this video, we unbox, test, and review the ROVE R2-4K, a high-performance front and rear dash cam designed for modern drivers. With a powerful STARVIS 2 sensor, 4K UHD recording, and 5G Wi-Fi for ultra-fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second, this dash cam delivers crystal-clear footage right to your phone via the ROVE app. White heavy checkmark key features. Ultra HD 4K 2160p front camera and full HD rear camera. STARVIS 2 sensor for superior low-light and night vision. Free 128 gigabytes microSD card included, no extra cost. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid file transfers to your smartphone. 3-inch IPS display with an easy-to-use interface. 24-hour parking mode for round-the-clock security. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just parked, the ROVE R2-4K has your back. Stay safe and secure on the road with one of the most advanced dash cams available today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and car gadgets. Packaged by the ROVE R2-4K dash cam here. Copy this link and search on browser.